Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with principal for insurance and retirement account access, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the principal website. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. Click the sign in button to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section. Look for an option labeled Authorize Access or Third-Party Access. Select the type of account you wish to authorize for access. Follow the prompts to enter the required details for authorization. If prompted, read and accept any terms and conditions related to access. Provide any additional information requested, such as account numbers or personal identification. Review your information for accuracy before submitting. Click the Submit button to finalize the authorization process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your authorization has been successful. If any issues arise during the process, consult the help section of the website. Alternatively, you may contact customer support for assistance. Keep a record of any confirmation details provided for your reference. Return to your account to verify that the access has been successfully granted. You are now set to manage your insurance and retirement accounts with authorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.